right? Everything you've ever typed into ChatGPT, every 2M spiral, every rant about your boss, every dodgy wee idea you shouldn't have written down a lawyer could now read it in open court. I'm Lexi. Buckle up. This story starts with a man called Bradley Hepner. He's the former chair of a financial firm that collapsed, and he's currently facing federal securities fraud charges. What did Bradley do? He did what half of us do. When we're nervous, he opened up Claude and started talking it through. He generated 31 documents about his case, ideas, arguments, notes to share with his defense team. His lawyers argued those chats were protected by attorney-client privilege. His AI was essentially a legal assistant, private, off-limits. Federal Judge Jed Rakoff in Manhattan said, "Away on. No attorney-client relationship could exist between an AI user and a platform such as Claude. Hand over every single document." And Hepner had to. That ruling came down on February 10th. It's the first of its kind in America. Now here's where it gets pure mental. On the exact same day, a different judge in Michigan ruled the exact opposite. A woman suing her employer over there got to keep her ChatGPT history private. Same country, same week, two opposite rulings. So the law's unsettled, which means right now, today, whether your chats end up in court depends entirely on which judge catches your case. And that's just the legal side. On the data side, it's worse. OpenAI stores every prompt you type. By default, they train on it. Even if you opt out, they keep it for 30 days for safety monitoring. Paying 20 quid a month for ChatGPT Plus, you're still opted in unless you manually changed it. Anthropic? In September, they flipped their policy. If you didn't reply to the update notification, your consent is times assumed. Chats retained up to 5 years. 5 years. So here's the thing. People treat these chatbots like a diary, like a wee therapist in their pocket. They're not. They're servers in a data center run by a publicly listed company that can be subpoenaed by a court. Catch yourself on. Use AI for work. But anything you'd be mortified to see in a courtroom, don't type it. Ever. So ye shouldn't. I'm Lexi. Stay curious. Catch ye next time.